and prevention of acne breakouts. And it's very easy.
I'm going to show you
how to make your acne face toner for acne treatment. Very, very easy. I'm going to use 2 drops of tea tree. 2 drops of tea tree. If you have a dropper, you can use it. Oh, this is a lot. That's like 3 drops, it's okay. And then it's very good to use. You cannot use tea tree alone. It can cause burning and sensitivity. Kindly use it with vitamin E. If you have vitamin E, if you don't have vitamin E, just use any oil that you have that is not going to clog your pores. Any non-comedogenic oil, like coconut oil, like grape seed is the best if you don't have vitamin E. And if you're using vitamin E, just make sure you use very little of it because it's very thick and you don't want to use a lot so that you don't cause the breakouts. That is enough. So like 3 drops of vitamin E. Then I'm going to use, this is hot water. I'm going to use, that is equal to a tablespoon. Just showing you. If you want to make more, you can add the vitamin E and also the tea tree. It's very good for your skin. You know, water, oil is not soluble in water, so that is why I used some warm water. But if you're doing it for commercial use, kindly you can use the binding agent to mix the water and the oil. This is the best that I use to bind water and oil together to make sure that the mix together is polysorbate 20. I'm going to show you on another video how to use it, but this is just for you at home. Yeah, as I said, you can see, very nice. This is very good for your face. So the procedure of using this face toner, acne face toner, cleanse your face. After cleansing your face, then you can rub this on your face. See, you can see it has oil, so shiny, but not a lot of it. You can add water if you want. Kindly use this. Don't use the tea tree alone. Just mix, as I said, with any oil. Then after cleansing your face, just apply this. It's very good. Tea tree is good. This one is good. It's an antibacterial, treats acne, and then it regulates this oils, the production of oils on your skin, and then it protects your skin from any inflammation like caused by any sensitivity or any bacteria. It's an antioxidant. It's very, very good to treat your skin. And it's, as we said, the antibacterial effect in it prevents your skin from any infections that are caused by acne. And kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos. Don't forget to leave some comments and to put on notifications for more videos to help me grow. Kindly show some love. I love you with the love of Christ. Thank you so much.